Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can easily connect your Alibaba.com to your eBay account. So if you are looking to dropship from Alibaba to eBay, you will need to go on to the dropshipping.alibaba.com website and of course sign in with your Alibaba account. You can also sign in using your Google account and etc. So once we are on this website, we are going to look at the part that says connect to other stores. Now besides eBay, you can also connect to Shopify, Squarespace, WooCommerce, ECVid, and etc. But we are looking for eBay, so we're going to go on to eBay, and as you can see, only seller accounts for US sites are available. Okay, so if you are from the US, you can do this part. So now we're going to go to add store, and it's going to redirect us to our eBay, and here you will sign into your eBay. I have already done that, and as you can see, here are the permissions that it requires and terms of service and privacy policy. Once you have read all of this, you can just click on agree and continue. And once you do this, your eBay account will be connected to Alibaba. It's as simple as this, and now you can start working on your drop shipping from Alibaba to eBay. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.